Dolphins Tyreek Hill involved in domestic dispute with wife. Mother-in-law fears for daughter's safety. Sunny Isles Beach Police Department closed the case, saying Hill committed no crime. Miami Dolphins star wide receiver Tyreek Hill was involved in a domestic dispute with wife Keita Hill at his condo in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. Monday. Fox News Digital obtained a police report from the incident after the Sunny Isles Beach Police Department responded to an assault in progress at Hill's house. Hill and his wife were present when authorities arrived, as was his wife's mother, Alicia Vaccaro. Local 10 WPLG was first to report the incident after obtaining the police report. The case is considered closed after officers determined no crime was committed. On Monday, we were informed that the police were called to Tyreek Hill's home, and after conversations with Tyreek and members of his family, the police departed the residence without further incident, and the case was closed. A Dolphins spokesperson told Fox News Digital. We have since been in communication with Tyreek and the NFL and will have no further comment on the matter. Hill's agent, Drew Rosenhaus, did not immediately answer a request for comment. According to the police report, Vaccaro told authorities, she had been living with her daughter in Hill since the birth of her granddaughter last November. She called police after Hill allegedly threw a laptop on the floor, grabbed his daughter, and started walking to the balcony in the high-rise condo. After Hill and his wife had an argument, the report adds that Vaccaro called Hill very aggressive and impulsive, saying she feared for her daughter's safety. Keita Hill also spoke with police, saying she and her husband had been arguing more often recently. She alleged he becomes angry and throws objects. Couples therapy between the two is not working out either. The argument Vaccaro called police about revolved around Keita telling the star receiver he wasn't involved enough with his child. Keita said Tyreek, without malice, grabbed their daughter and began walking around the condo with her. Tyreek told officers he had just gotten back from his off-season training when an argument broke out about the couple's therapy. He admitted, grabbing their baby as well. I have the same rights as a father as her as a mother, and I can take my baby whenever I want, Tyreek said, according to the report. Tyreek and Keita said the argument never got physical, though the report notes a bruise on Keita's upper chest area. She said it may have unintentionally occurred when Tyreek took their daughter from her. Keita added that she is in the process of filing for divorce. Tyreek is no stranger to off-the-field incidents, which includes one with Miami-Dade police before the team's season opener at Hard Rock Stadium in September, when he was detained for hours before facing the Jacksonville Jaguars. He was seen in videos on social media in handcuffs with several officers surrounding him. His teammates, Jonnu Smith and Calais Campbell, both tried to intervene, but were unsuccessful in defusing the situation. Tyreek was later released, and his traffic violations were dismissed after the charging officers failed to appear in court.